little bit warm today here in Lima. So today I'm going to be going to the Magdalena market. It is one of my favorite, if not my favorite markets in the whole city. If you're staying in Miraflores, it's super good. A lot of people go to Cerquillo. I mean, Cerquillo is awesome, both 1 and 2, but personally I love Magdalena. It's got its own flavor. It's got a ton of different random stuff. Let's go. So I'm about a block away from the market here. There's already a bunch of good stuff outside here for sale. I'm gonna walk through this little street right here. This little street really isn't part of the market, but it's got a lot of action. This guy's good though, this guy's good. This guy's good too. This guy's good. Coffee's pretty good. You probably can't hear me at all, it's super loud.
Hey, fuck you, psycho.
The shoelaces, the newsman. Oh, here we go. The market is inside there. I'm gonna go inside. I gotta switch my camera settings. Okay, it's super loud here. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh, I love this crap. This market is awesome. It's the best market. So, some huge eggs. I got some chifa, some Chinese food. Tons of chickens. This market has so much stuff, it's almost impossible to film it. Here we go, this is a good one to start on. Some big ass fish. A lot of copyrighted music going on in here. Oh, here we got Poto. Giant squid. Really the fish area. Oh my goodness. This smells wonderful. There we go, some fruits. Good stuff. Veggies. Stay healthy, kids. Little chicken. This little lane here looks like the chicken lane. Get up. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot of the same stuff when you come into markets. It's kind of got to look around. Get up. So I'm gonna come back through here. Just endless meat. There's a lot of people here always. Oh, here we go. Good cafe. Good cafe, good cafe. Okay, let's go down this aisle here. No, I already did that one. Oh my god. This place is so big. Oh, we got tons and tons of sauces here for cooking. Smoked curry. got some good sauces. Pancho. Chorizo. Chifles. Meat. Meat. Here we go, got some flowers. It's nice. Very nice. Yeah, there's just so much stuff here, it's really hard to even do a video. Honestly, I don't really need to buy anything, so I'm kind of just walking through. This place looks good though. I need some sesame oil. So this place is awesome for Asian stuff, just awesome for Asian. I got sesame oil way cheaper than I get at the grocery store. Oh wow. Dried nuts, dried fruit. Oh my god. Lunch meats. House stuff. Queso, queso. Wow, look at this. It is really small in here. It is super small to walk around with a camera and a skateboard. Okay, here's more meat. Tons of meat. I'm trying to go through like every little walkway, but there's literally like 50 different walkways. I'm trying to find some unique stuff. Oh, here we go. Freaking scallops right there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, now it smells like seafood. Empanadas. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cuánto está tu empanada?
Cualquiera de las empanadas están a 6 soles.
¿6?
A excepción del rocoto relleno, que ese está bueno.
Ok, voy a probar uno. Sí, sí. It's good.
Very good.
It's good. It's good. It's like freaking beef stew. Kalu. Yeah. Go to fucking Kalu. This place is awesome. Those empanadas are fucking serious. Fucking serious. Go visit this guy. If you're in Magdalena Market, you gotta try out Kalu. Oh, perfumes. I need perfume. Lots of nuts, healthy stuff. Alright, I'm at another entrance, the other side.
Hi, I'm the baby, brand new, just out.
It is definitely tight quarters in here.
Pero falta el señor Julio, que te lo mandé aquí la foto.
Alright, so we got some stuff you can make your own clothes here.
Mi tía parece que se ve.
Yeah, a lot of clothing items now. Oh, here we go, herbs, dried herbs. Nice, nice. So you can look like a chef.
Esto es exclusivamente para docentes.
A lot of clothes over here. ¿Qué tal? It's kind of random here. Oh, here we go. It's kind of random. Now it's loud. Making huancaína. Huancaína is like nacho cheese. Oh, this looks good. Got another exit down here. Got some hardware stuff here. A ferreteria. Some cheeses. Food you can have on the go. More meat. It just goes on and on here. This market is crazy huge. Here we are at the other exit. Oh man, tons of dried stuff here. Just tons. Some people are super friendly about the filming. Some people look at me like I'm fucking filming and committing a crime. Yeah, this place is like a maze. This place is a maze. The strawberry looks super good. Oh, look at these little pears. Those are the tiniest pears I've ever seen. Nice cooking stuff. Salsas, sauces, seasonings. It really is kind of mixed in here. It's hard to know. This is the other exit. I'm gonna turn around. Interesting stuff. Oh, let's go down this dark alleyway here. What the hell? Oh man, this is awesome. This is my kind of stuff. Nice little place to eat right here. Not open yet. This must all be like lunchtime. Got natural Viagra. Oh man, it gets really crowded right here. It is crowded. It is super crowded. There's all this stuff, dude. That's kind of shit. These noodles look good, dude. There's some nicer lunch meats. Wow, that looks actually good. Tons of homewares too. It's definitely cheaper to shop at the market than it is at any supermarket. Oh, this is cool. What the heck? What? Very cool. This place is literally a maze. Literally a maze. It's like everywhere you go, there's some other little turn or twist you can take to get lost here. I am fully lost. Okay. More cake and cookie stuff. Oh, I feel like I should go back this way. I think I'm getting near the end here. I think I've basically covered most of this area. Really nice cookies.
Se va a caer el huevo.
Casero, le vendo bolsitas, vasos, platos que está buscando.
Alright, here we are back at the main entrance. This coffee place is pretty good. Might grab a coffee.
Marco?